Well, good afternoon, YouTube. I'm going to be showing you this cute little lip balm holder. It opens like that. And it's very fast and simple to make. So, we're going to need scoreboard, a little scrap piece for your sentiment, circle die, which is 1.5 inches. You're going to need a scrap for your matte piece that is 2 inches by 2 1/8 inches, and then you're going to need your main base piece, which is 6 7/8 by 4 5/8 inches. Okay, let's put this aside, and we're going to start with our scoring. You're going to start on your short side, and you're going to score at 5/8 of an inch. Okay, then we're going to score at 1 1/4, then at 3 3/8, and then at 4 inches. And we're going to rotate our paper to the side on the long side, and we're going to score at 1/2 inch, 1 3 3/8, 4, and at 6 1/4. Okay, that's all the scoring we're going to need. Let's move our scoreboard out the way, and we want to burnish all our edges. So, nice crisp lines, so our box will look really nice and neat. Okay, so you have this. Okay, you have 2 lines down here and 1 up here. The one with the 1, that's going to be your top of your box. So on here and on the side you have 2 lines on either side. So you're going to cut off this little L shape up until that line. So we're going to cut like so, turn around, cut on that side, and up this side. Sorry for the shaky hands, guys. Okay. So you're gonna cut that out. You're going to do the same on this side. Oh, that's my computer, sorry. This edge here. So you're going to have something like that. And you're going to turn it around, and you're going to cut this corner, this little 3 squares here. Okay. You have something like this. And you're going to do the same on the opposite side. Okay, you should have something like that. Now, this little square, you're just going to cut down to that first score line. Same thing on the other side. Cut down to that first score line, and you're going to take little wedges out of there. Just little wedges, like so. Other side. Okay, I think so. I'm on the wrong side. Okay, I'm goofy this morning, this afternoon. Down here, you're going to cut a wedge out of here as well, on both little sides. Got confused for a minute there. Like, oh no, I cut my tab off. I didn't. Okay, and then on these, you're going to cut a little wedge out. Just that first rectangle. I'm trying to go fast, guys, so my talking is kind of crazy. Okay, and then from here as well. Alright, so this is what you have. Okay, so we're going to glue this down because we're going to need to cut out a piece there. Let's get our glue. I got this little circle punch, just a little one, and we're gonna just line it up towards the middle and snap out a little piece there. Okay, now we need to lay our mat down. Okay, and just be mindful that your box closes this way, so if it had a design on there, you'll know which way to put your design. Okay, go close this up for a minute. Okay, now it's time to cut out our circle. Let's bring it over. And try to line the circle up as best you can in the middle. And just eyeball it. Okay. It's moving on here. Okay. And run that through. And save this little circle because you can use it for a lot of other things. Okay, so this is what you have so far. Now I like to round my corners, and I notice that when I'm closing a box, it kind of get stuck here. So I like to trim these down just a little bit, maybe like 1/8 of an inch. I just take off on both thingies here. Okay, just 1/8 of an inch off. Then I take my corner rounder, and I like to these. Okay, so you have that. Now we're gonna glue these down. So let's put some glue on these tabs. I mean, you could use your adhesive tape. That'll be fine for this too. I like using the wet glue because it gives it a little more strength. It like makes the paper a little more thicker. To me, that's my opinion. So I like using the wet glue. And I just spread that glue out. Okay. And do the same with these. Just put glue. Okay. Now we can put this down. Like, this little box really takes no time at all. this side. And here you have your box. There you go, that fast. Now, all you have to do is do your sentiment. And I'm using a sentiment from the May Made It. This one is called Banner Day. And I'm using the stamp that says Thinking of You. Put that like that. Okay. And I just do a little fishtail, banner it, cut it down the middle there into each corner, and you want to glue that down. You can pop it up some foam tape, or you can just glue it down like I'm doing. You see, I just used a scrap piece of paper. Let's get this closed up. Alright, now I just need some lip balm. And pop that in the middle there. Close up your box. And there you go. So there's your box. So guys, give me a thumbs up if you like this video and want to see more. Please press the like button and also the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the bell for the notifications of new videos when I upload them. Thank you for taking your time out to watch my video. God bless.